Hi everyone, GP here from Crowbuddy, bringing you an exciting update from Vienna. Today's been a whirlwind of activities, and I can't wait to share it with you. Our first big task was transferring the Crowbuddy apparatus to a new location at the zoo. I want to give a huge shout out to Vienna Zoo for their incredible help. Everything went super smoothly, thanks to their expertise. We've securely stored the batteries and other items in this shed nearby. It's got electricity for charging, but we'll need a different key for it. Always something, right? One of the highlights here was making friends with the local crows. These Viennese crows are far from shy, and it's been amazing interacting with them. A bit of tech repair was on the agenda too. I noticed the motor on Crowbuddy's lid was draining too much power. I'm taking the circuit board with me to tweak it, and then it's back to Vienna for implementation. The new spot for Crowbuddy is quieter and more secluded. It's perfect for the crows to explore the apparatus and help us with our research. A massive thank you to everyone who's been part of this journey. Stay tuned for more updates from Vienna.